I was wrong, but it's okay. Now I know the simple truth to day trading. And in this video, I'll be discussing that very strategy. Let's get to it. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get to it. Okay. All right. So first things first, you want to start on the daily chart and you want to trade with the actual bias. You have to know the bias. So looking at this, you can clearly see it's in a downtrend. Consolidation here, but the trend continued. And then with the strategy, pretty much all you want to do is you want to look to take out the previous day's lows or the previous day's highs, depending on the directional bias. So if it's an uptrend, you want to take out previous day's highs. You want to look to take out the previous day's highs. In a downtrend, you want to look to take out the previous day's lows. And with this strategy, you're taking out, if the previous day low is already taken out, you want to look for a continuation. Or knowing the directional bias, you look to take out the previous day low. So let me show you what I mean. So this is the previous day low right here, a previous day low. And this is the daily chart. Okay, so we go to a 15-minute chart. So with this strategy, all you need to pretty much know is the directional bias. It's based on time of day. So between 8:30 and 11 o'clock, and using the Fibonacci retracement to get in the actual trade, and taking partials and full profit using the fibs. All right, so look at this. This is the previous day low. You can see took it out right here. Took out the previous. This is the previous day low back here. It took it out. Came back. Boom, boom. So set up right here. The high to the low. Time of day, like I said, 8:30 to 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, sorry. 11 right there. 8:30. Look at this. Stopped right at 62 perfectly. Hit the 70 and the previous days. The previous came back, tested the previous day low, as well as its confluence with the 79 retracement and the previous day low. So you could have got in at any one of these points. If you want to make sure you get in, because sometimes it doesn't actually hit the 70 or the 79, so you want to get in at the 62. Depends on your if you're able to handle drawdown, like how much drawdown you're willing to handle. And you want to put a stop right here at the 100%. So A, B, and then C. Look at this. Time of day. You get in anytime at 8:30, as long as it's at a Fibonacci level. At 8:30, between 8:30 and 11, partials here. Take profit 1, take profit 2. If you want, you hold it. And this is an intraday strategy, so you want to hold this for the actual day and not any longer, unless you're jumping on a bigger trend and you want to get a lot more. But I'm not actually teaching that strategy right now, so that'll be in the upcoming video soon. So look at this. So how many pips already right here is, so partial, what, about 27 pips. Take profit 1, 50 pips. Take profit 2, 72 pips. That's simple. That's simple. So time of day, Fibonacci, looking at after in the directional bias, or looking to take out the previous day low, because it's in a downtrend. If we're in an uptrend, we're looking to take out the previous day high or continue, or look for a continuation move in that direction. I'll show you guys another one. Do this daily. Go look, take out this one right here. And I'm just randomly picking just to show you guys that the majority of the time this trade setup like actually works. Depending on the day of the week too. I wouldn't really use this on a Friday because it's the end of the week and you barely get any movement on a Friday, but definitely you could use it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So there we got another daily low. Looking to take it out. 15-minute. Zoom in. Now look at this. There's no pullback on this one. See, sometimes you don't get it all the time. That's what makes you consistent. You're not forced in the trade. You only trade it when you see this, when you see the pullback, and you can get in within the trade. So there's a little retracement right here, actually, but see, and you do this 15-minute. You could do it on a 5-minute. Let's check the 5-minute to see if it's there. Sometimes you don't see it on the 15, but it's much more clear on the 5-minute. And sometimes it's not even on the 5-minute. You have to go all the way down to the 1-minute and catch it. But overall, if you have to, I wouldn't suggest you force this trade. If you don't see, you don't see it. Don't take the trade. Don't force it. Well, you can't. Like in that instance, you can't even trade that because you don't even see it. Hold on, let me go back to the daily. Right here, the 15th. So this would have been a missed opportunity. So, okay, back to the daily. Use this one. See if we got on this. minute. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Previous day low. See, in this one, it doesn't look like we got it actually. Well, we did, but something like this, it consolidates for the majority of the day. So you could take something out. I would just close the trade once I see it like starting to consolidate, but just to show you, high to the low. And when we do this, we do it the bodies of the candle, not the wicks, the bodies of the candle. And once again, the earlier the better. Because you see, look at this one. Perfect example. It doesn't go to the 70 or it doesn't go to the 70 or the 79. It goes to the 62 retracement. So 62 retracement. Consolidates for pretty much the rest of the day after that. It drops and consolidates. So I would just hold to like the end of the day and see what happens. If I start to notice it starts to consolidate, then I'll jump out the trade. Let's do another one. Use this next day's low. The 19th. 15 minute. There you go, previous day low. Right here. Look at that. Look at this. You don't even need a fib. You could see it. That's the thing. Once you start doing this consistently and practice this every day, and when I say practice, I mean not on a live, practice this on a demo account. All trades should be practiced on a demo account. This will definitely make you profitable and consistent. Look at this. So previous day low, what do we have? So we could do this high to this low. Look at that. Perfectly at the 62. Don't forget time of day. Between 8:30 and 11. And it has to be hitting the 62 retracement to get in, and then take partials right here at the 0. Let's see how many pips that is. That's 24 pips. So imagine doing this. You could do this every day actually, but but the thing is, you might not find it on your pair. So between all the pairs, you will find this setup. The setup will be there, as long as you have directional bias as well too within the pair. So I'll give you guys one more, and then after that I'll give you the actual fib levels. I'll pause the video. You guys could pause the video and copy my fib levels, so you guys will be ready and set to go. There's more. This is 23rd. $15-minute. What do we have? What do we have? See, and all you gotta do is know the time. So between 8:30 and 10. Yeah, we didn't really get a setup here. We do a high to a low right here. It's kind of, you still got it. Look, 830. And that's all you're looking for, a high to the low between right 8:30 to 11, 11:30 the latest. Okay, so even in consolidation, we still got the level. So look at this. Stick it to retracement. I wouldn't take. I would just take full profit right here because it's close to. I wouldn't take less than 15 pips for first profit or partial profit. Nothing less than 15 pips. And right here, you get another. We get the 20 pips, and it even goes down even more. For 26 pips. So see, it's a very simple strategy, as you can see. If you practice it, I guarantee you'll find consistency and you'll become a lot more profitable. It's so simple. And there's just rules to it. You have to follow the rules and you have to see the setup. If you don't see the setup, you simply don't trade. So that's the best thing about it. So, and before I go, let me give you the fib levels. There you go. So just pause the video and take down these, everything that's checked off, just take it down and copy it. And there you have it. So if you find this video valuable, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. I got a lot more videos coming. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day.